In counseling, two essential qualities are attunement and clarity. Attunement means listening intently, picking up both the expressed and unexpressed feelings and needs of a client. We then sift through the noise to gain clarity, which allows us to reflect this understanding back to the client. Balaam walked with God, and God's Spirit was with him. When he saw the Israelites camping in their assigned places, his prophetic vision allowed him also to see the promised Messiah. A star shall come out of Jacob, and a scepter shall rise out of Israel. In contrast, the chief priests could not recognize the Messiah who was already among them. Their veiled eyes and hardened hearts only made them challenge his teachings and miracles. We can choose to be scoffers like the Pharisees, or we can be in the camp of Balaam, walking closely with God, living by His Spirit, and discerning His presence in every aspect of our lives. Jesus was always in touch with His Father and could therefore say, "I and the Father are one." To maintain this connection, he would often withdraw to lonely places to pray. Fruit. I will lift up my eyes in quiet contemplation to deepen my relationship with God, so He can root out all pride and discord and teach me His ways.